Hello, ukulele group. I'm on vacation, as you know, and I'm in Vermont, and I'm with my grandson, Sam Akis, and he plays the mandolin along with a lot of other instruments. And I pulled up Yellowbird, the one we've been working on, and now we're going to play Yellowbird for you together. Take it away, Sam. Nest again, that is very sad, makes me feel so bad. You can fly away in the sky, you're lucky than me. I also had a pretty girl, she's not with me today. They all say those pretty girls, then they fly away. Soon, from night to noon, back and down like a banana wave. Might pick you someday. I wish I were a yellow bird. I'd fly away with you, but I'm not a yellow bird. So here I sit, nothing else to do. I'll be back soon.